Hello, come inside here. You are about to fall in love with a home that I believe epitomizes the entertainer lifestyle. Boom, you are locked in, and are you ready for an amazing tour of a home that I believe epitomizes the entertainer lifestyle? Just when you walk in the door, you're standing on beautiful wood flooring, this gorgeous arch doorway, the chandelier, your sconces, the millwork, it just screams home. On top of that, you've got your first entry room. This is typically your formal living room. Our clients here have converted it into the music room. And what I love about this space is you can do so much with it. We have clients now turning this into their music room, their movie room. You can actually put the velvet walls, enclose a door here, and boom, you've got your movie room set up. You can also do the formal sitting room, or you can make this the playroom for the kiddos to sit and enjoy. Now, flanked from your music room is your dining room. And there's nothing like having a formal dining room, especially one that can seat 8 to 10 guests. You can have amazing dinner parties here. I just love this whole space, especially the accent wall. They put in stacked stone, and it just gives it a completely different look and vibe in here. You've got the nice curvature in the walls that adds a little bit more character, and then the espresso crown moldings up there just bring the room together. And also, wood shutters complete the entire space. This part of the home is nice because it's grand as well as cozy, so you kind of get the best of both worlds. Now, the property itself is over 4,400 square feet of amazing living space. There's 6 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms. One of those bedrooms and bathrooms is downstairs, but they converted it into an office space. And I think you're gonna love what they did for you. Come check it out. Voila, this is where all the money magic happens, because this is the downstairs home office. Now, what's neat about this space is not the enormous size of it, but just the functionality of it all, because you can actually convert it back into a downstairs bedroom. They left the entry opening for your closet that leads into the bathroom, which is just a nice feature to have. Come check it out. Another one of the many features I love about this property is just the size of the ceilings. I'm 6'4". These are 10-foot plus ceilings in here. The hallways are massive. You've got this amazing wainscoting, all this beautiful wood millwork that surrounds the house. It creates another depth, really another layer of its character, and that's what I love. We're stepping into what I believe is the pièce de résistance of the property, the family kitchen dining area. I mean, this is the open concept that everybody wants, especially when you're buying 4,400 plus square feet. We're in the family room. It comes with all of the bells and whistles, the fireplace, the big open seating, the tall windows. You get all this natural light that just comes in. The entertainment center, that's a 75-foot television. You could fit an 80, probably go even a little bit bigger, but just imagine Christmas time, holidays, birthday parties, hanging out in here, creating memories, and just enjoying your family time that you get, because you deserve it. The kitchen space is to die for. First of all, we're standing on travertine stone flooring, beautiful flooring. You've got this nice nook area here. They got a beautiful round table that is perfect for everyday eating, the kids hanging out, doing their homework, so on and so forth, or just common, entertaining back and forth. Everybody has a spot. And then look at these cabinets. They went with the espresso color, and they are surrounding your entire kitchen from this massive center island to your pantry. You have so much storage. And I love the color because it gives that nice accent with your crown moldings as well. You got room to put 2 chairs here for the bar seating. And then this, again, going back to this massive island, I love how they used it because they added a utility sink. This is so important when you're cooking in the kitchen. You've got your main sink here, but then your utility acts as a bonus really. So when you're prepping, when you're cooking, when you're making drinks, you have this additional space that you don't have to take over the main sink area, which I think is key. And then you've got your stainless steel appliances, which I'm gonna get to, but first I want you to see this amazing pantry. Look at how big this thing is. You have room for every snack and goodie on your menu to fit in here and then some. And you've got a built-in refrigerator. It's a 48 inches, sucker's huge. So you got a lot of room there. And then a 6-burner stainless steel with one of my favorite tools in the kitchen is a pot filler. For those of you that have that chef inside of you, the pot filler is key because you don't have to go and fill up your pot from the sink and bring it over. You just turn it on here. And before you know it, you're gonna have fresh pasta, you're gonna poach some eggs, the veggies can all be done here at your sink. And this is really key. Let's take a look at your butler's pantry, which is another extension of the kitchen. You have so much in here, more cabinet space, you've got a beverage center, you have or a wine fridge. You can use it as you wish. When you're having dinner parties, you can have them in here prepping for you. Or if you just need the extra space because you've got a big family, you can do that too. This property comes with a plethora of features and benefits, and we're barely on the first floor. I want to take you outside through these French doors, but let's go upstairs first and fall in love with the rest of this home. Come on. Now it's time to enjoy the upstairs, and let me tell you, up here you have a lot to offer. You're surrounded by the continuous millwork that goes throughout the home, the espresso crown moldings. I love the consistency. There's plush carpet. This is that carpet that you can just kind of sink your feet into, and it is really nice on those tootsies. You've got 2 bedrooms, including your master, on the east side of the property, followed by 3 bedrooms on the west, plus a sitting area or desk space and your laundry room. But I want to take you in to the master. This is, as they say, where all the magic happens, and there is a lot of magic that can happen in this massive master bedroom. You have plenty of space from your bed, your furniture. You can create, they have a little seating area here, which is nice. You can put a massage chair here and start the mornings off right. I love all of the ample windows because it creates a lot of natural sunshine that just pours into this master. You can look outside and see what's going on in your backyard, the kiddos playing, everyone enjoying themselves. And then I'd like to turn your attention to this amazing master bathroom. It's almost like you're walking into a day spa. I mean, the decor from the flooring to the tiled stand-up shower. I mean, look at how big this guy is. Remember, I'm 6'4", guys. I got a 6-foot wingspan. This spot is huge. And what's a spa-like bathroom without your own large soaking tub? Are you kidding me? You fill this sucker up with the bubbles, the water, the candles going. I mean, you've got room in here for more people. I just need Mrs. Del Rio, and then there we go. We're having a nice little romantic, relaxing evening, or you're starting your morning with a nice soak in the tub. You've got lots of storage in here, counter space, dual vanities, a sit-down vanity makeup area, and a massive walk-in closet for his and hers. Here's what I want to do. I want to let you take a look at the rest of the bedrooms, and I'm going to meet you outside, and we're going to go over all the other amenities this home comes with. Hello, hello. Did you enjoy the upstairs? So much to offer, right? Now we're in the backyard. This is where all the fun, this is where, as my sons say it, let's get this party started here in the backyard. You've got an amazing pool. It's all custom dialed in with the Baja step. You've got the nice jacuzzi with the waters flowing, which I really enjoy because if you don't want to get in the pool, you could just hang out, sit down, and enjoy the water, the peaceful serenity that's out here. And what I love about this pool is it's off to the side of the backyard, so you still have the full usage versus some homes where you just come right out and you're falling into your pool essentially. This, remember, the lot is just under 11,000 square feet, but you still have room. If you want to excavate this side of the hill, it would actually add on another 8 to 10 feet of usable space. And when you're buying a home like this, I know you have the money and you can do it. We see it done all the time. But it's nice to have that option. Or you could just keep the hill the way it is and enjoy your pool. Parties, barbecues, family events, you can do it all. Now, what's a beautiful pool and spa without a built-in barbecue area to accompany with it, right? What really neat is that you have plenty of seating space. And I don't know if you noticed, but the sun doesn't hit on this side of the house. So it's kind of nice because you don't have to put in a covered patio. The house acts as a cover for you. But you can keep this coming over here. You've got your fire pit area and then all of this counter space that comes over to your built-in barbecue, which I absolutely enjoy because if you like to grill, you can make up something special over here and you have plenty of counter space to put all of your pans, your food and whatnot. You've got an amazing smoker section here, or you can remove the smoker and keep this as an ice chest. That's a nice feature to have too. And then these clients did something really special. Not everybody does, but they were already forward thinking. They wanted to create a farm to table effect with their property. So what they did was they put in a nice garden. You've got citrus trees here, mandarin orange, lime, lemon, followed by pumpkins, cucumbers, chilies, tomatoes, and they put in a chicken coop, delivering fresh eggs daily. They've got 7 hens in here, and you are just gonna love this. It's its own built-in system to bring out eggs every single day. They're laying anywhere from 5 to 7 eggs daily. And now you can have your own farm to table effect here with your property. Isn't this special? This could be yours too. What's a 4,400 square foot home without a just under 2,000 square foot garage? 4-car tandem garage is what you're getting with this space. It's super clean, finish. You've got cabinets, you've got epoxy flooring. You've got this section here at the tandem side, which you can actually use for your sports car, or you can do what my clients are doing right now. They've turned it into a semi-workout area. You can have your additional refrigerators, freezers out here. You have an access point that will take you to your backyard. And then you have the other door that will take you inside of that butler's pantry. So lots of room, lots of space with the garage. I'm gonna meet you inside and we're gonna do an amazing recap. I can't wait for you to fall in love with this property in person. Come on. How was that tour? 4,500 Peachtree Lane in the books. And let's recap. 5 spacious bedrooms. There's actually 6, but one of those bedrooms is being used as the downstairs office space area. You've got 5 bathrooms. 4,400 square feet of amazing living space. We're in the open concept room. You can do some serious entertaining here. The lot size, the pool, the farm to table, right? The lot size is 10,550. You are at the end of a cul-de-sac in an incredible neighborhood. Not to mention, you have every convenience at your footsteps. You've got Sprouts, walking distance, Starbucks, Veterans Memorial Park. You've got the El Cajon Trail. You've got Hurlis Burton Park, the Community Center, Bristol Farms, the Yorba Linda Town Center. All of it is here, and it comes with the property. Let's not also forget, you get the Orange County lifestyle, y'all. You can go to the beach, you can go to amusement parks, you can go to sporting events. It's all here for you. So it's a complete package. And you don't really get that with every home. You do with 4,500 Peachtree. And I would love to be a part of this with you. So it's real simple. Reach out to me. Call me or text me, 714-335-0844, and you could be falling in love with your next dream home. I can't wait to hear from you. That's my time. Let's go.